Welcome to the MamMaw boutique. So far in making this corset top and fishtail skirt, I've sketched the design, created style lines on the dummy, and drafted the paper pattern. So when I'm working on each design, I like to have the sketch in front of me and the client's and the customer's body measurements. So I like to put them on the wall here, right beside where I work at my desk here. So they're just easy access, easy for me to look at. And as you can see, I'm working on this one. So these are all the panels that I've just done for the corset style top. And that's the back, so that's the front, that's the back. So now I just need to do the skirt, and then I need to cut the pattern for the skirt. I've already cut the pattern for the top, so I just need to cut the pattern for the skirt, and then I need to just cut out the pieces in the muslin fabric, which is actually over there in that green package. Okay, so because I'm doing this long train on this dress here, I do not have enough table space. My table is not long enough, so I'm having to put it on the floor, which is definitely helping me. So I have the front pattern of the fishtail there, and obviously that is going to be shorter than the back. So the back's going to be longer, and it's going to be this much longer. So now I just need to draw the tail, the actual fishtail, like that, something like that, that shape. Okay, so I have cut out the back fishtail, looking good. So let's see how this all pieces together. So we have the center back, we have the waist, and we have the side seam, then we have the hem coming down at the back. So this is going to be a long train. A lot of work goes into creating designs, but I really enjoy the journey from the blank canvas to the actual garment. With this particular design, because of the long train, It was a lot of working on the floor, so I had to get up, get down, up, down, and it was essential that I put on my knee pads. And after all that hard work, there's that moment when I realize I have to do it all over again. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, so I've cut out the back fishtail. That's the waist, that's the center back, that's the end of the fishtail, and that's the side seam. I am so tired. It's the end of the day. It's about 5:15 p.m. I am done for the day. I'm not finished with this dress though. I still need to stitch it. So this is the toile, so I still need to stitch the toile, and I need to book in a fitting with the customer as well. So that's it for now. So all I need to do is just stitch the toile and have the fitting with the customer. Okay, these are all the pieces I've cut out, and I've started to put them on the pattern pieces because there's so many pieces. I'm getting a bit confused. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing them on each pattern so I know what's what. It just makes it so much easier for when I'm about to sew. So that goes there and that goes there. So yeah, so now you can see that's the front, that's the center front, side seam, and that's the center back. And of course, those are the straps. So now I can just pin these together and start to sew. Front toile of the dress. So I'm definitely going to have to fit this on her to see what it looks like. It's not fitting great on the stand at the bust and the strap area, but that can be easily fixed. And it looks very hippie, but she is actually a hippie. But again, I can fit this on the stand, on the customer. Okay, so tell me what you're excited about so far.
Everything, sweetie. This is so tight. I love it.
Oh, so you like that it's tight? Okay.
Yeah, because it's giving me this shape here.
Right.
You know.
So I will make sure it's tight. I'm gonna pin it.
Yeah, this is a little bit loose.
Yeah, we're gonna
this is tighter.
All of that out. Yeah. So this is tighter at the moment. Okay.
Which is nice.
Okay. Yeah. That's good. That's information I need to know.
No worries.
So this dress is, what is it for? This top and the skirt? Tell me again.
The Miss Africa, Great Britain 2022.
Oh, wow. Miss Africa 2022?
Yeah.
Just put your hands out.
That's why you need to get the ticket to come and see your eye. Yes, yes. I'm telling you.
Okay. So. So it's just a bit big here, so yeah. I did notice that. So let me just pin it.
Yeah, on this side is big.
The whole side's big as well, but this side's okay.
It's really fine.
It's funny. I need to investigate that.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna pin here. Okay, so that looks better already.
Yeah, definitely.
another pen in.
Seriously.
I'm glad you're excited.
It's the first time they make me a dress.
Ah, it's the first time getting a bespoke dress.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
So it's very special.
Very, very. It's not that I have to add pressure, but
Okay.
so just be.
It's looking very nice on you so far. The shape.
But I think this is fine. I don't think you should go down.
You don't want to bring it down. You don't want to show.
I mean,